Okay, hello everyone, good morning. I'm Liana Maze Asfa and you can call me Miss Asfa. And in this video, I would like to explain to you about a topic about a material that is actually quite familiar to you. It's about descriptive text. Okay, so before we dive into this material, I would like to share to you what we will learn today. So, in basic one, we will learn about the first one is what is descriptive text. The second one is what is the purpose of it. The third one is what are the generic structures of descriptive text. And the last one, and it will be the end of our discussions, is about the language features being used in descriptive text. So the explanation of descriptive text starts now. Okay, so now guys, I would like to explain to you about descriptive text. The first one, these are the things that we will discuss in here. The first one is what is descriptive text. The next one is the purpose of it. The third one is the generic structure. And the last one is the language features of descriptive text. Okay, now we're going to the first one. So what is descriptive text? Okay, so descriptive is means by describing. So descriptive text basically is a type of a text that describes a particular object such as people, thing, or places in detail. But in this 11th grade, we will only talk about the descriptive text about places. Next is the purpose of it. So, what is the purpose of descriptive text? So, the purpose is to describe an object in a more detail or in a more specific terms. The next one is the generic structure of descriptive text. Okay, so as you know, generic structure of descriptive text, there are two. The first one is the identification or contains an introduction of the object being described. As for the second one is the description or it contains, yes, object more specifically and more specific feature of the person, thing, or place being described. In here, it's about what? Yes, places. Now, this is for the example of the descriptive text. I would give to you around 1 to 2 minutes to read the text first. So okay, now I would like to identify. The first one is the identification. Why is it identification? Because it's only talks about the generic or introduction of the topic being discussed. So what is the topic being discussed in this text? Yes, it's about Borobudur Temple. As for the description, why is it description? Because it contains, yes, a more specific details or a more specific information related to the topic, or it's about the Borobudur Temple. Yes. Now we're going to the last one is the language features. Okay, so there are actually 3 language features of descriptive text. The first one is simple present tense, or used to state general facts or truths as well customs. For the example from the text is Borobudur Temple is one of the most beautiful tourist resorts in Indonesia. As for the next one is the adjective. So what is adjective? Adjective is when we describe an object, we must to use adjective. So adjective is kata sifat. Yes. For the example, big, small, tall, short, smart, friendly, and so on. For the example from the text is, it is the biggest temple in the world. So biggest means here is from big. Yes. And now we're going to the last language features of descriptive text, which is adverbs of frequency. Okay, so what is adverb? Adverb is kata keterangan. Yes, adverb used to show how often an activity is performed. Here, how often is meant by the frequency of it. So, for the example, always atau selalu, usually biasanya, often or sering, sometimes or kadang-kadang, rarely or jarang, never or tidak pernah. As for the last one is every or setiap. Actually, there are more of adverb of frequency in here, but I only use 7 for the example of adverb of frequency. You can search more later in the web or in internet. Okay, so now we're going to actually discuss the example of the 3 language features that I've just explained to you earlier. So, from the same text, so the pink one is the, yes, it's the simple present tense. Why is it simple present tense? What is the penanda of it? Yes, the penanda is, yes. Is one of the to be. What is to be? What are the kinds of to be? Is, am, and are. Yes, it's correct. The next one, the blue one or the purple one. What are those kinds of language features? Yes, it's the adjective. So, greatest from the word great. Yes. The next one, biggest from the word big. And the last one is elegance or elegant. Great. As for the last one is the baby blue one. What is it? Okay, it's adverb of frequency or usually. Usually means, yes, biasanya. Okay, great job everyone. So guys, to actually end this video, I would like to recall first what we have learned today in descriptive text. The first one is what? Okay, the meaning or the definition of descriptive text. The second one is, okay, the purpose of descriptive text. The third one is the generic structure of descriptive text. Good job. And the last one is about what? I cannot hear you. Yes, the language feature of descriptive text. So there are 4 things that we have learned today. Okay, good job. And you are very attentive into this video. I would like to give applause to you. Okay, thank you for watching my video and try to study from this. I hope my video is beneficial for all of you. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.